Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part. Almost it is the last lesson, last part in this lesson, development. We have to move there. So till to yesterday we are discussing about the SHG. So today we have to know about the role of SHG. Okay, role of SHG or women SHG in the sense self-help group, or one more question they can ask you in the examination. Women self-help group are supportive for the women empowerment justified. Okay, they can ask you like that. I mean SHG, women self-help group, are supportive for the women empowerment. So what is meant by women empowerment? Before we have to get to know that, we have to get to know the meaning of what is meant by women empowerment. Women empowerment means the process that infuses the people with the power and increases the capacity and power of decision making. Okay, women didn't have a permanent decision making, so improving her decision making and also as well as improving her power, ಅವಳ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಹರ್ ಪವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಳ ಪವರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವಳು ಇನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಜನರನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು, ಅವಳ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಂಪವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹರ್ ಪವರ್ as well as her capacity and also the power of decision making. That is called as the women empowerment. Okay, so how this SHG helps to increase the women empowerment? SHG means self-help group. Let us know that self-help group is a group of women who come together to share their to share their opinion, resources, external point and undertaken. Okay, so this help group so helps to women to combine at one place. Okay, helps to the women to join or to come together or to assemble in a one place and to share their opinion. They can share each other the opinions and everything, and also their support, external support and everything. And SHG give a training for a woman. It has giving a training. Okay, it has giving a training for the woman. For what? The training to start their self business. Okay, to start their self business, or we can also call it as own business. Okay, to start their self business or our own business, SHG give a training for the woman. And also SHG give a training to manage the bank transaction. That is very important. It is also give a training to manage the bank transaction, because in India many of the women don't know how to transact the money in a bank. Okay, that's why bank transaction, and also to develop their skills. What the skills they have to develop, that the SHG has given training for the women. And SHG help the women to earn, to save and send money both. Okay, to earn money, to save money, how to save for the difficulty timing, and how to spend the money. Okay, so that training also, or that help also has given by the SHG. And SHG give a loan for the women, loan to start their own business. To start their own business, it has giving a loan. And SHG increases the dignity of the many women. SHG helps to increase the dignity in the sense ಗೌರವಗಳು. Okay, so that has the role of the SHG to increase the women empowerment. Keep in mind what is that SHG. So make the women to gather in a one place and to share their opinion. SHG helps to earn, save and spend the money. SHG provide the training to do their own business or the self business. SHG provide the training how to handle the bank transaction. SHG provide the loan for the own business. SHG improve the dignity of the woman in the society. Thus the SHG, I mean self-help group, is very supportive for the woman. Keep in mind that. Okay, Next, name the role of women in the economic development. We have to know about that role of women in the economic development. This is very important. So I already taught you. Once again, I'll repeat you role of women. So we know that mother is the first teacher of the child. Okay. She form half of the population. Mother is the first teacher. She form half of the population. Half of the population formed by the mother only. If there is no mother, there is no population, there is no children, nothing at all. Okay, so that's why. And also in a family, mother is the first teacher. Every character, every behavior will taught to teach to the children or teach to the child by the mother only. Okay, that's why in Kannada it's called as ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ ಜನನಿ ತಾನೇ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು, ರಿಟನ್ ಬೈ ಜಿ.ಪಿ. ರಾಜರತ್ನಂ. ಜಿ.ಪಿ. ರಾಜರತ್ನಂ ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ಏನಂತ? ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ ಜನನಿ ತಾನೇ, ಜನನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾಯಿ, ಜನನಿ ತಾನೇ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮದರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ and she have capability to work in all the field. We can see in all the fields the woman, okay, in all the fields. So we can see the pilot, and we can see in outer space also. Good example for that, Kalpana Chawla, Yuri Gagarin. So they're the example, live example for us, where the woman status and everything. She has a capability to work in all the field, and she can able to create, woman only can able to create the civilized society, because she know how to talk and how to behave with the people. So that's why women can create the civilized society, but men not like that. Okay, so she know how to behave with the others and how the polite behavior and everything. So that's why women can able to create the civilized society, and she play a major role in the development of agriculture and industry. She play a major role in agriculture also. She can work as well as she can work in a industry. Many of the government factories run by the ladies only, I mean run by the women only. That thing you have to keep in mind. That is the role of a woman in the economic development. Through that she has improved, okay, woman has improved the economy of the personal, I mean per capita income, as well as the economy of the nation, that means national income. That's why woman is a part of, we can call as part of national economy. Woman is a part of national economy. Why woman is a part of national economy? Because woman, through her effective and dedicating work, she can increase the per capita income as well as the economy of the nation, I mean national income. That's why we can call as a woman the part of the national economy. Keep in mind that. So next we have to know about the how we can achieve the gender equality. Okay, how we can achieve the gender equality. So this gender equality can achieve because in a society still it is exist gender inequality. We can achieve. One is by forming the SHG. Government has formed the SHG yesterday only I told you. Okay, SHG means self-help group. Okay, by forming the SHG in the villages and cities and promote the participation of women in the economic activities. We have to promote her to participate the women in economic activities. Economic activities in the sense in every activity, whether it is in a market or in a bank. So like that. Okay, so we have to promote the women to participate in economic activities, and also by achieving the woman empowerment. Okay, by achieving the woman empowerment, that is very important. We want to achieve, I mean we want to make the woman to be strong, that is woman empowerment. Okay, by achieving the woman empowerment. And in also many government also implemented the many laws to curb the violence against the woman. Okay, to curb violence, whether it is a domestic violence or the society violence, social violence, to curb that. Okay, domestic violence in the sense like dowry, those are all, and social violence in the sense gender inequality, that is to stop that society violence as well as the domestic violence. So many laws as implemented, so that is also. Next, also the providing the reservation. So government has provided the reservation in many fields, in a even in a local body election, or in the state government election, or in the central government election, like local body election in the sense panchayat level election. Whether it is a gram panchayat, I mean village panchayat, or taluk panchayat, or zilla panchayat, they are all called as the local body election. State government election in the sense election for MLA seats, and central government election in the sense election for the MP, member of parliament. Keep in mind. Okay, reservation has been provided in the local body election, state government, and also the central government election. And we have to develop the skills of the woman in all the fields. Okay, developing skills of the women in all the fields. Like that we can improve, we can achieve the gender equality. That is very important. How can we achieve the gender equality? One is by forming the self-help group. Second one is by participating the women in all the economic activities, and the third one is by achieving the women empowerment, and the fourth thing is to stop the violence of the laws. Many laws are implemented to stop the domestic violence as well as the society violence of the woman, and reservation has been created in the local body election, state government, and also the central government election. Then we have to develop the women's skills in all the fields by giving some training. Okay, by giving some training. These are the methods to achieve the gender equality. Yes, hope you will understand this lesson. The lesson has completed. The next period we have to move for the second lesson in economics. Till then, keep watching, and thank you all.